This is absolutely incredible. I am just north of Hillcrest. We're up at 251. This thing is huge. This is a Kansas-sized tornado, and we are not in Kansas anymore. Just incredible. Sirens are finally going off, but it's a little late for that. Oh my gosh. It's now crossing directly over 251. My guess is right at 251 and 64. There's a guy driving right into it. I don't know why. Oh my God. I realize I'm just an amateur, but I hope there's some professional who's watching this. They need to stop driving closer. I don't know what the problem is. I don't see any debris other than a ton of lightning. That is just insane. Amazing thing is, I'm probably within 2 miles of it, maybe less, and there's just a little wind. Not even a whisper of rain. Wow. It was a little bit more pronounced a while ago, but still. That is insane. Glad I'm not home. That's got to be, I don't even want to know how strong it is. I'm just hoping it's not my apartment at this point. Oh my gosh. Fine. It's probably right over 39 at this point. It's wide, it's huge. It's just kind of disappearing in the darkness now.